So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add crypto or cryptocurrency to your watch list on Moomoo. So if you were to go to Moomoo, open up your Moomoo account, go to the bottom left, press on watch list. Here's my watch list. Now if you go press on add symbols right here, you can actually search up a crypto that you're looking for. So if you wanted to go ahead and search up Bitcoin just like this, Bitcoin just like this, right beside the logo, right beside the ticker symbol, it'll say CC. That stands for cryptocurrency. You can go ahead, press on this little added button right there, go back, and it is now added. Another way you can do that as well is to go to the bottom left, press on markets, then slide this top bar to where it says crypto. Then you can find, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, some other ones as well. So if you wanted to add Ethereum, press on Ethereum, go to the top right, press on the heart with the plus, press on done. There you go. It's now added. Go to the bottom left. Now, as you can tell, Ethereum and Bitcoin have now been added to your watch list. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add cryptocurrency to your watch list on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.